Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I will be planning the month of August in my B6. I already have my inserts out. I'm going to be using this little one sheet kit from Hello Petite Paper. This is meant to fit her inserts, but I am going to try it out on my inserts. I also have some other like cute summary and travel stickers from Hello Petite Paper to bring in, and then as well some pretty Simply Gilded washi, some of the sea glass and the florals and some dots, etc. I use undated 1407 planners. This is what it looks like, so you can just use it any month, and I am going to jump in.
Okay, so I am going to start with the date dots. These are actually from my newest addiction. I just thought they kind of matched the kit and looked really cute. And then I'm going to put down like this sidebar thing that says August, which is like the main reason I bought this kit. I didn't realize like how poorly formatted this was for this, so it really is meant to fit like a sort of mini month kit, I think, more something like that. It might even be better on like the other monthly insert that I use, but whatever. I just made it work this month. Honestly, like I was really frustrated planning with it while I was planning with it, but it came out super cute, so it's like hard for me to hate on it too much. That being said, I don't think I'll be picking this up again for my B6 regular monthly spread, although I do think that this would fit like pretty well in my mini months, but I've really just been more using just washi and leftovers in that. I actually haven't even set up August for that yet, and it's late. I may just skip August and wait till September. I am like on vacation, so I'm like half planning, but not anywhere near as majorly planning as I have been, or as I need to be when I'm home. So you can see that these boxes are really more meant to fit like a month on one page. But anyway, I just like used them, and I'm going to pair them with some Clever Gal crafts like hearts from the freebie sampler, so the unfoiled ones. But I am putting this, and then I switched this one to a backpack. That is my daughter's last day of camp, and then we are flying home on that Sunday back to Texas from our Long Beach weekend. And then my daughter's first day of school is Tuesday the 28th, which is really exciting. Then Thursday we have a new parent like orientation at her school, and Friday is like the kids orientation, like meet the teachers, if you will. It's like super official for 2-year-olds, you know. But anyway, then my car registration expires at the end of the month, and I have like this massage membership thing that's up that I have to like decide whether or not to cancel. So I just wanted to put in reminders for those two things. Then went back in later on. I pre-planned this like a while ago, and then had to add in a few other things, and one being that my mother-in-law came in. She came in at the end of July, and then left, and then we went home to Philadelphia from the beach this weekend because it was my sister-in-law's baby shower. So I put down this pink washi to mark down our little weekend trip back to Philly, and then I'm going to put in a sticker to mark down her baby shower as well. So just fixing this washi. You guys have heard me mention that these inserts, like even washi rips the pages when you're pulling these up. So these are not my favorite inserts. I'm using them for now, but I'm thinking about switching my main monthly insert to something else that's a little more sticker friendly. Anyway, I grabbed another one of those little labels for that and a little balloon sticker that came with the kit. And then on Friday, I just wanted to mark that we were driving. And then lastly, we need to either change power providers or renew our like energy provider contract.
Okay, that's everything all filled out. I do think this came out really cute despite not having too much to work with. I did grab a Blush Bow Boutique and a peach palm to pop on there, and that is everything. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, and definitely check me out on Instagram at My Crafty Plans to keep up with everything going on in my planners. Bye!